Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Craft with Miriam. In this video I'm sharing with you how I use one of the Dollar Tree frame box that turned out so beautiful. It was easy and it's just really fun, nice looking piece of art. I hope you're gonna like it and follow my steps. Okay, please don't forget, if you like it, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. So let's start. So I started painting with pink all around the box. When it dry, I tried to take off this piece which stuck on the front of the frame because I don't need it in this project. With my sandbox, I sanded the front of the sign to make it flat. Then I can paint it with a white chalk paint. With this ship cover 6, I wanted to add dimension to my picture. And look at this piece of paper stuck on my glue gun. When I was sanding my frame, oh no, it's okay. I'm adding this beautiful pom-pom ribbon all around the picture to give a nice look, right? I shoot this buffalo check paper to put it inside the frame. And after eating the chocolate, me and my son, I'm adding this hard chocolate into my project. I'm covering this heart with a red colored paper. I think it's nice. Then I wrap the heart with the twine, just to give a different look. I'm adding another pom-pom ribbon around the frame and white ribbon inside to give more dimension look. Also, I finished by adding some more details like small hearts and these small flowers. That's how it's all come together. I'm in love with this sign. It's gorgeous and it's not crazy overwhelming. It's just simple and beautiful piece that you can make for your home. So please let me know what do you think in the comment down below. Thank you all so much for coming along with me today. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like this video.